Hi there guys, and welcome back to the shop for episode 59 on Project Archi. This one is super quick and easy, but I need to isolate this down to just this because there's sequencing in other videos and I want to make sure people have got this. This is the HK1612 bearing. It's a needle roller bearing, and you're going to put it on the J5 bearing post. Now, depending on how you do this, it may get a little tricky. So if this is a problem, what I'm going to tell you is if this doesn't just fit right on there easily, and I mean like if you can't put it on the table and just push it right in with your hands, put this piece in your freezer for a few hours. Just leave it in the freezer overnight and forget about it, okay? And then it will shrink because aluminum shrinks when it gets cold. Not a lot, but probably enough. You don't need a lot. I don't recommend putting this in an oven and heating it up if it's too tight. Make this side colder, not this side hotter. Frequently you can do that with a lot of stuff where you make one hot, one cold, and then you're good. Don't do it with bearings because this has some plastic pieces inside it. Those black pieces are plastic, and I don't want to risk screwing this up. Now, I got lucky and mine just fit perfectly together, but if yours don't, chill this. That's the lesson. It's that easy. It's a quick one. It's an easy one. You guys have fun. I'll see you in the next one. I'm Chris Bowden, and as always, I'll see you next time.